Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of automated cleaning with the top 5 best robot mops of 2024. If you're tired of spending hours scrubbing floors, these innovative devices are about to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Check out the links in the description below to get your hands on one of these top-rated devices. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Bissell SpinWave 2-in-1 robotic mop and vacuum. With its powerful suction and spinning mop pads, this versatile device effortlessly vacuums and mops your floors for a thorough clean. Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Pet Robot, your ultimate cleaning companion for a spotless home and happy pets. This innovative 2-in-1 wet mop and dry robot vacuum is designed to make cleaning effortless and effective, all while supporting a great cause. At just 7.5 pounds, this lightweight yet powerful robot features Wi-Fi connectivity and structured navigation for seamless operation. With automatic height adjustment and multiple surface height settings, it effortlessly transitions between different floor types, including low-pile carpet, area rugs, bare floors, and sealed wood floors. Equipped with a 2-tank cleaning system, the Bissell SpinWave offers both powerful vacuuming and active mopping capabilities. In dry cleaning mode, its triple-action cleaning system utilizes dual spinning edge brushes, a rotating brush roll, and powerful suction to effectively clean debris on both carpet and hard surfaces. When it's time to mop, the rotating mop pads scrub and clean floors, restoring their natural shine without any effort on your part. Worried about your carpets? No problem. The soft surface avoidance sensor automatically detects carpets and area rugs, ensuring that the SpinWave avoids them while mopping. Plus, the included specially formulated wood floor formula ensures that your hardwood floors are left gleaming and residue-free. Best of all, every purchase of the Bissell SpinWave supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. With features like the 2-tank cleaning system, automatic height adjustment, and powerful vacuuming and mopping capabilities, the Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Pet Robot is the perfect cleaning solution for pet owners and busy households alike. At number 4, we have the Samsung Jetbot Mop. Equipped with smart navigation technology, this sleek robot mop glides across your floors with precision, leaving them spotless and shining. Samsung Jetbot Mop, your cordless robot floor cleaner designed to simplify your cleaning routine and leave your floors sparkling clean with minimal effort. With its sleek white design and compact dimensions, this innovative cleaning device seamlessly navigates around your home, effortlessly avoiding obstacles to provide a quick and efficient mopping solution for your everyday needs. Equipped with dual spin technology, the Jetbot Mop effectively cleans all floor types, including tile, vinyl, laminate, and hardwood. Its powerful dual spinning pads move, turn, and clean simultaneously, ensuring thorough cleaning with every pass. The Jetbot Mop features an automatic water dispenser with double solution tanks, allowing it to run for up to 50 minutes without the need for refilling. It disperses just enough water or water-based floor cleaning solution to keep the pads thoroughly moisturized while minimizing drying time, leaving your floors spotless and streak-free. With its smart system sensor, the Jetbot Mop safely and precisely cleans corners while avoiding walls, carpeting, furniture, or objects. Its intelligent positioning ensures superior edge coverage, allowing the spinning pads to extend from under the unit and thoroughly clean even the hardest-to-reach areas of your home. Powered by a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Jetbot Mop offers up to 100 minutes of continuous mopping, allowing you to clean large floor areas from corner to corner without the need for additional charging. Plus, with 8 cleaning modes to choose from, including focus mode and random mode, you can enjoy flexibility at your fingertips and customize your cleaning experience to suit your needs. Coming in at number 3 is the Ecovacs DeBot X2 Omni. This multifunctional robot mop not only cleans your floors but also offers innovative features like voice control and customizable cleaning modes for a truly tailored experience. Ecovacs DeBot X2 Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop, the ultimate hands-free cleaning solution for your home. This advanced robot vacuum offers a fully automated cleaning experience, featuring the innovative Omni station that self-empties with a large dust bag and washes wipes with 131 degrees Fahrenheit hot water for optimal cleanliness. With powerful 8,000 Pascal suction and an extra-long roller brush, the Ecovacs DeBot X2 Omni swiftly collects crumbs, hair, and dust on both hard floors and carpets, making it ideal for homes with pets. Its intelligent 15mm auto mop lifting feature automatically raises the mop when detecting carpets, ensuring efficient cleaning without compromising convenience. Equipped with AI-controlled AIVI 3D 2.0 obstacle avoidance technology, this robot vacuum can dynamically avoid obstacles and achieve thorough cleaning in complex household environments. Its industry-leading dual laser LiDAR navigation system enables smart navigation, obstacle avoidance, and precise mapping of cleaning paths in your home. The Ecovacs DeBot X2 Omni also features a dual rotating mopping system with the upgraded Ozmo Turbo 2.0, which deep cleans effectively and removes stains from everyday spills to stubborn messes. With the self-contained YKO 2.0 voice assistant, controlling and operating the DeBot X2 Omni is seamless and hassle-free. Experience a seamless interactive experience with Ecovacs DeBot X2 Omni, complete with live video monitoring and two-way calls through the Starlight camera, ensuring peace of mind and security for your home. Say goodbye to manual cleaning and hello to the future of automated cleaning with the Ecovacs DeBot X2 Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the iRobot Bria Jet M6. With its advanced mapping capabilities and precision jet spray, this intelligent robot mop tackles even the toughest messes with ease, leaving your floors sparkling clean. iRobot Bria Jet M6 Wi-Fi connected robot mop, the ultimate solution for efficient and thorough cleaning of hardwood, tile, and stone floors. With its precision jet spray, this robot mop effectively treats sticky messes, grime, and kitchen grease, leaving your floors sparkling clean. Featuring a maximized edge design, the Bria Jet M6 ensures thorough cleaning of every corner and edge of your rooms. Its advanced iAdapt 3.0 navigation with VSLAM technology and Imprint TM smart mapping enable precise navigation and efficient cleaning, while the app control allows you to conveniently schedule cleaning sessions and monitor the cleaning progress from anywhere. The Bria Jet M6 is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control it with simple voice commands. Plus, with its automatic recharge and resume feature, the robot mop ensures uninterrupted cleaning, even in larger spaces or multiple rooms. Say goodbye to manual mopping and hello to effortless cleaning with the iRobot Bria Jet M6 Wi-Fi connected robot mop. Keep your floors clean and pristine with this innovative and convenient cleaning solution. And finally, our top pick for the best robot mop of 2024 is the Roero S8 Pro Ultra. This cutting-edge device combines powerful suction, advanced mapping technology, and long-lasting battery life to deliver unparalleled cleaning performance. Roero S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, the ultimate cleaning solution for your home. With its innovative features and cutting-edge technology, the S8 Pro Ultra takes the hassle out of cleaning, allowing you to enjoy more free time and a cleaner home. Forget about cleaning, really? With Roero's all-in-one docking system, the S8 Pro Ultra can automatically complete the mop washing and drying process, preventing mold growth and unpleasant odors. The auto self-emptying feature with a large dust bag allows for up to 7 weeks of dust collection, while the self-cleaning dock keeps itself tidy and refills the robot's water tank, extending its mopping range to up to 3,230 square feet. Equipped with double brushes, the S8 Pro Ultra provides a deeper clean in one go with fewer hair tangles. Its powerful 6,000 pascal suction effortlessly picks up debris, hair, dust, and more from both hard floors and carpets, ensuring a thorough cleaning every time. The upgraded Viberize 2.0 mopping system offers a wider mopping zone and high-speed scrubbing, effectively removing stains and spills from various surfaces. The liftable brushes and mops separate vacuuming and mopping tasks, maximizing cleaning effectiveness and avoiding stains after cleaning. With reactive 3D obstacle avoidance and advanced mapping technology, the S8 Pro Ultra intelligently navigates your home, avoiding obstacles and customizing cleaning paths for a more efficient and precise clean. The Roero app provides total control over the robot vacuum, allowing you to adjust settings, schedule cleaning sessions, and more, while voice control support lets you command your robot with ease. Fast charging and off-peak charging support ensure that the S8 Pro Ultra is always ready to clean when you need it. With up to 180 minutes of runtime on a single charge, you can tackle even the largest homes without interruption. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent on the go, or simply someone who values a clean home, investing in a robot mop can transform your life. Check out the links in the description below to get your hands on one of these top-rated devices. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!